This video is your last. See that monkey? A long range fire from right down from up here. Okay.
That's not long range.
It is from up here. It's really, really hurt, so just get ready.
Do you have any idea how to sight that pistol?
Yes, actually I do.
Freaking missed it.
You missed.
Monkey, watch the monkey. Headshot.
Okay, now what? What are you doing?
I'm shooting your gun.
Stop shooting my gun.
What the crap? Crap, this thing's so good range.
That means it's out. Alright, now what?
Now, I'm out of ammo.
Well, that's really great. So get down. And then what do... Alright, so what are we gonna do?
Right down. Keep recording, keep recording.
Hi! I'm gonna tell my dying.
This is crap.
Yeah.
He's really high, so...
No, I'm really hot. You messed it up.
You're high. You're freaking high.
Name you.
Hey, what?
This is
Cause
brought to you
dude,
by this
everything
show
seems
sucks.
pretty much really good right now. No! Don't take away the Osama Bin Laden cap.
Yeah,
Now I'm naked, man.
When I fired,
I'm a stinker.
come on, Barbie, let's go potty.
Yep, baby.
record it, record it.
I
never started.
This video
Come on,
is your
Barbie, let's
last.
get freaky.
This is